So let's take a look at the French song questions. So Roman numeral study, we talk about I is 1 and V is 5. So the I means 1. And then if you have 2 I's, that's 2. And if you have 3 lines, it's 3. And if you have a 5 and 1 on the left side, that means 5 minus 1. That means 4. This is 5. And if you have 5 and right side, you have I. That's 5 plus 1. So that means 6. And you have 5 and 2. That means 7. And in music, we only use 1 to 7. That's all. So we are not going to go 8, 9, and then 10. We are not going to use it. Only 1 to 7. In the future, you're going to see it. Let's go to the next section. Question 1. What is the ending note for French song? Ending note? I hope you can read and you can write it down, the answer. In which key the melody is written? In which key? We always refer to the ending note, not the beginning. So that means in key of C. What is the root of one chord? Root of one chord is the first note of the 5-finger pattern. That is going to be the C. What is the root of 5 chord? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 finger pattern. 5th note. So that's a G. I just had this question so you understand the concept. For example, if the French child song is written in key of D major, at the end it goes ends on D. So you have to put the thumb on D, I guess. And the one chord moves 1 and 5 and 1. In the future, you're gonna have those questions talking about different keys. But for now, I want you to understand how in key of C major works. And I want you to practice, of course, in the original key, in key of C major, with both hands. And the repertoire update. Now you have those 1 and 5 concept. Let's update. Mary had a little let's go back to the page 1 and add the same concept to Mary had a little again, 1 is first note of the 5-finger pattern, and 5 is the 5th note of that 5-finger pattern.